This is Taoism explained in 100 seconds. Hey everyone, imagine living life like a river, flowing effortlessly, adapting to every twist and turn without forcing it. That's the essence of Taoism, an ancient Chinese philosophy that's all about harmony, balance, and going with the flow. Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. Taoism or Taoism dates back over 2,500 years to ancient China. It's traditionally attributed to Lao Tzu, a mysterious sage who penned the Tao Te Ching, a poetic guidebook of 81 short chapters packed with wisdom. Legend says Lao Tzu wrote it while riding off into the sunset on a water buffalo. Talk about a dramatic exit. At its core is the Tao, meaning the way. It's the natural order of the universe, an invisible force that connects everything. You can't grasp it directly. It's like trying to catch the wind. Instead, Taoism teaches us to align with it through Wu Wei, action without effort. Think of it as being like water, soft and yielding, yet powerful enough to carve canyons over time. Then there's yin and yang, that iconic black and white symbol. It represents the balance of opposites, dark and light, feminine and masculine, passive and active. Nothing's ever purely one or the other. They're interdependent, constantly flowing into each other. Taoism says true harmony comes from embracing this duality, not fighting it. Taoism isn't just philosophy, it's a way of life. Practices like meditation, Tai Chi, and Qigong help cultivate inner peace and energy. It influenced Chinese medicine, martial arts, and even Confucianism. Today, in our hectic world, Taoism reminds us to slow down, observe nature, and let go of control. Feeling stressed? Channel your inner Taoist. Breathe, flow, and trust the process. If you enjoyed this quick dive into Taoism, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized wisdom. Check out our other Explained in 100 Seconds videos, like the one on Zen Buddhism, for more enlightening vibes. Thanks for watching. Stay balanced, friends.